walls up. What's love, what's love? Nothing, nothing, nothing to me. Now you're rolling like walls up, walls up. What's love, what's love? Nothing, nothing, nothing to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natea. How you doing? So today I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from a store on Amazon called Foreverlove, and this is what the packaging is looking like. I like this purple package. Okay, so inside this package I get a hair clip that says Queen, and I'm living for that. All right,
so this is what the wig is looking like. I did go ahead and wash it, and I did do some knots, and I tinted my lace, and yeah, just get straight into the video and try to put it on my head. Okay,
4 combs, well 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and it comes with the adjustable straps. Okay, so alright, so the wig is a 4x4 closure wig. It is a water wave wig. The description says it's 180% density, but I don't think so. Okay, I don't think so. And it is, I have it in 12 inches and I have it in the color 1B. So I'm gonna be applying the wig to my head. I'm actually using my Got To Be free spray to do this. I have stopped using those glues because I'm allergic to them. So yeah, from now on I'll be using this to adhere my wigs down, right? And it wasn't really hard for me to do, really, to be honest. I just spray it, wait for it to dry, and then I just apply the wig. I'm using my comb just to brush it in, just to ensure that it lays really flat. Y'all know how we do when it comes to these wigs. And guys, every time I decide to record, here comes my neighbor making noise. So anyway, I hope you guys please excuse that. Okay, so I'm just applying some more of the free spray on the top just to make sure that, you know, it's set. Okay, all right, so I'm just kind of parting out the baby hairs. This wig did come with baby hairs. I'm parting out the baby hairs so that I can tie her down. I'm gonna tie her down, but I want to leave the baby hair out, okay, just to let it melt some more. So I mean, for the rest of the look, you guys can just watch me do all of that, because I really don't want to bore y'all with the whole heap of talking and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all can see what I do and how I do it. All right guys, so I'll see you at the end. Okay, so y'all can just watch the put down, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. so I did go in here and use my hot comb just to flatten my part. I like my part to be sleek, and I just went in and flattened my part. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And I actually used some of the Nairobi wrapping foam to do that, just to get it a little wet. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm applying some concealer to my part just to make it a little bit more defined, and then I'm adding some of that onto the lace. And then I went ahead and I put some of my Nairobi foaming mousse on my hair just to define the curls a little. And that is the finished look. I don't hate the wig, okay, it's pretty cute. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty cute and I would wear it. And it wasn't affordable, so that's not bad. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually